Hi and welcome back to the vlog. Today I'm going to show you how to make the Bartender. This one's by Robert Simonson, the author of the Old Fashioned Cocktail Book. As you can see, things are a little bit different. I've created a set. I still haven't actually worked out the video. I'm going to do a time lapse of the actual setup and the build of this area, but it depends out how it actually turns out. I may or may not upload it. Depends if it actually looks good and if I think people will find it interesting. But anyways, this is the new set. So now it's a permanent setup in my warehouse, and we're going to be filming a lot more regularly than I have been as of 2018. So 2019, plenty of cocktails. But to get started, the Bartender cocktail, the Bartender is a riff on an old fashioned, and it essentially has a tiny little bit of Fernet Branca. So it's going to add some punchy herbal notes and menthol kind of flavors to the drink. And today I'm going to make it in the glass rather than doing it in a mixing glass. Reason being is because I'm making the old fashioned with a sugar cube. So when I put the sugar cube in the glass and I muddle that up, I want to keep all those granules of sugar that are soaked in bitters, and I want to retain that in the finished product, in the finished drink. Otherwise, if you use a mixing glass and strain it over fresh ice, I'm going to lose a lot of that sugar in the bottom. So to start off, sugar cube in the glass and 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. So I think this drink was first made back in about 2013 by the author. So you want to soak that sugar cube in bitters, lightly muddle using the back of your spoon or a muddler. And if you want to, you can add a little bit of warm water, just like a bar spoon, which is going to make it a little bit easier when you're muddling and mixing in the bitters into that sugar. Kind of makes a bit of a paste. And then when you're done, add your bourbon. So I'm going to be using Maker's Mark, a double shot, 60 mils. Straight into the glass, followed by a quarter shot or quarter ounce, 7.5 mils of Fernet Branca. As I mentioned, this is going to add some herbal and menthol notes to the old fashioned. That's a little bit heavy. Won't put all that in. I'll shot that later. Now add some ice to your old fashioned glass and stir away. Stir for like 30 seconds. And to finish this one, you want to give a twist of lemon. I don't have any lemon in the fridge, but Robert, the author, does actually say that this is crucial for this particular drink. My orange is pretty yellow, so maybe close enough. I do have a piece of dehydrated lemon as well, so I'm going to add a twist of orange. Twist that over the top and rim the glass a little bit, and then I'm going to still put this dehydrated piece of lemon in, which is going to impart a few of the oils within the drink. So there you have the Bartender by Robert Simonson. Cheers. This drink is going to develop because of the way that I've added the sugar cube at the bottom. So as you drink, as you make your way to the bottom of the drink, it's going to become sweeter in style. At the moment, it is quite punchy. It's very booze forward, but you get those undertones of the Fernet Branca and those menthol notes. It is delicious, and it's going to transpire and evolve as you go through the drink. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers. So as you can see, things are a little bit different.